Hey guys, in this demo, I'll show you how you can create a workflow in SuperPlane that can help you with code reviewing process. Imagine you have a repository like SuperPlane, which is open sourced and it it has a lot of contributions from community members. You need a way to review all of this PRs in an efficient way. And one option would be to use something like Cursor Bugbot, but then um, it's not always free to use. So you might have seen this message from Bugbot. It's limited. So in this demo, we will see how we can create SuperPlane workflow to create a similar solution like Cursor Bugbot. Right, and it's pretty straightforward. So we can see here we have this on workflow run trigger, and we're listening to this repository, to this GitHub workflow here, which checks if there's some linting errors, if all the tests passed, if there's some build errors, right? So when a new PR is submitted, the workflow is triggered. We have this filter step here just to ensure that all the PRs are submitted by humans and not by the agents like Cursor Bugbot. If a bot submits a PR, we will not trigger this flow. Then we launch a cloud agent for this component. We told it here explicitly just to analyze the PR and not to push new changes, but to leave a comment on the PR. You can additionally enforce this via read-only tokens. We chose the model and pointed to the PR for the check. And last step in the workflow is leaving a comment on the PR. Let's see this in action. I created sample PR that will fail intentionally this GitHub workflow. And let's try to reopen it and see what happens. Now the GitHub checks are triggered and there's some linting issue with this PR, so it will fail. And let's see how our workflow reacts to that. We can see that we just received an event and the new cursor agent is spawned. Let's check that. As we can see, the new cloud agent is spawned and it analyzes the PR. Finally, agent finished execution and we created a comment on the GitHub. Let's check the payload here. And actually, let's go to this PR and we can see that 1 minute ago, our workflow left a comment. That would be it for this demo. Hope it was useful. And yeah, we basically showed how you can use something like Cursor Bugbot, but self-hosted via SuperPlane workflows.